Hi, my name is Kelly Maloney and I'm a product manager at CoreWorks. Today we're going to look at how interface management mitigates integration risk across project scopes of work and ensures alignment between the major contractors responsible for delivery of the project. Capital projects are executed by multiple contracting parties, typically from around the world and often involving a mix of various contracting strategies. These strategies increase the opportunity to save costs and reduce risk, but also introduce dependencies or interfaces that must be managed. If contracting parties fail to align their methods for implementation, the risk of integration issues that lead to project delays and rework significantly increases. The best way to mitigate this risk is to ensure effective and ongoing communication. CoreWorks Interface Connect supports the practice of interface management in defining project interfaces and facilitating ongoing communication, using a structured, automated process that supports your interface management plan. Interfaces play a role in ensuring alignment between technical compliance and system integrity. To ensure technical compliance, teams must meet regulatory requirements, and design information related to each interface must be agreed to by both parties. Interface points provide teams with the tool needed to establish, define, and control interfaces, ensuring detailed design information is exchanged. This data is often exchanged as first preliminary and then final as the design progresses. Therefore, it is important that interface points track a revision history as the design is developed and approved by the client. Many different types of integration points exist that will result in the exchange of information between parties as they develop the interface. While interface points are used to document the interface agreements are used to exchange this information. Interface Connect provides templates that can be tailored to the specific requirements of each project. For example, interface points can be configured to capture specific information, ensuring contractors understand what design data is required and what individual scope responsibilities are, eliminating ambiguity and ensuring compliance to engineering standards and guidelines. Let's take a look at how this is supported in Interface Connect. All right, if we look at the right side panel of the form, we see that all documents are assigned a unique document number. Revisions are managed throughout the life cycle of the document, and key dates are tracked and automatically populated by the automated work process. The top section of the form displays a title of the interface and the metadata that's been defined and used by the project to categorize, track, and report on interfaces. The form also provides an area to identify the responsible parties and provides fields to document specific scope instructions to individual contractors when needed. But what I want to take a look at today and focus on is a section of the form that tracks the key technical fields. Key to successful integration and alignment is ensuring that these technical design data at each interface is not only agreed to, but is recorded and visible, making this information available to all of your stakeholders. Using CoreWorks, projects can identify discipline-specific technical fields, which are then dynamically displayed on the form based on the discipline chosen. As you can see here, we are looking at the technical data that is specific to an electrical interface. With this visibility, the project team can easily identify potential discrepancies. The unit of measure is clear, and both parties, including the owner, can easily identify any outstanding items. Interface points will also track the interface agreements which have been raised. And again, interface agreements are used to exchange information and deliverables that are often related to that technical design data. Information such as the phase the deliverable is tied to, the title of the request, the due date, and the current status is readily available. This provides a permanent record, giving current and future stakeholders visibility of the commitments that have been made and their status. Let's take a closer look at the interface agreement form. As with interface points, interface agreements are assigned a unique document number, revisions are controlled, and key dates are tracked. Each interface agreement records the requester, the party that's requesting the information, and the responding party, the party responsible for the deliverable or the information. A description of the request is provided, and ultimately a response. Every interface agreement will also track a history or audit trail. This will track every update and record who did what when until the interface agreement is completed and closed. The interface register itself is a great tool that projects can use to facilitate regular interface meetings, which makes it easy for project teams to collaborate. Looking at an interface point, I can expand the view to show all of the deliverables or interface agreements that have been created. Teams can review each interface on an ongoing basis, and before progressing the interface to the next phase of the project, ensure that all of the technical design data fields have been updated and that all deliverables are complete. So that was a quick look at how Interface Connect mitigates integration risk by making it possible for your interface teams to formally agree upon the technical design data at each interface. Projects are dynamic, they are complex, and change is continuous. By facilitating regular interface verification review meetings using the online register, you will ensure that you have continued ongoing alignment and eliminate ambiguities. Communication is essential to ensure success when managing project interfaces. Collaboration among delivery teams is essential and will mitigate interface integration issues and ensure compliance to regulatory standards and guidelines. If you'd like more information on CoreWorks Interface Connect, please visit our website and request a demo today.